Okay, so we just passed Aonang Beach, and I guess the divider between, no Paraparat Beach, and I guess the divider is this big landscape here, just filled with trees, and this is what divides the Aonang Beach and the no Paraparat Beach, the left and right. So we will take you to Aonang Beach, and this is where we probably we spend most of our time at. Don't know, we just never walk towards the other side of the beach. Oh yeah, just to note, our resort actually required us to have a motorbike license to rent the bike, but the place that we rented it didn't require one, and I'm quite sure tons of tourists here don't have motorbike licenses as well, so that's not valid. Oh yeah, so this is where we bought street food at. Lots of halal places with those Muslim viewers out there. And on the left is where we were walking like for the past 5 days. This is where we usually have dinner. Lunch today as well if the place is open. It looks like most of them are open. But we're planning to do a bit of shopping here as well, because today is our last day here, or at least our last night here. So hopefully most of the shops are open as well. So yeah, it's a long stretch of shops like these. Just it goes on and on and on, but we actually managed to conquer it. I think it probably is about 1.5 kilometers long. And yeah, we're coming up to the beach now. So left shops, right shops. Yeah, so this is Aonang Beach. We've never really seen it much, only just like while we were on our tours and we had to pass by this area, but usually we walk here at night. So yeah, you see a bunch of long-tail boats just at the shore, and it's just really, 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 really pretty. So yeah, as I said, on the left now, just rows and rows of shops and restaurants and bars, and then you have the beautiful view of the beach on the right. Alright, that's all folks. We'll see you soon. Adios.